Okay, Riddler sent us a mission, so we need to be careful, okay? Roger that. What a worst thing to start a crime. Batman, I was expecting you to come here. This isn't the end. There's more. I knew it. That's where it is. When I click this button, that will lead to explosion around that building. Is everything going in plan? Yes, it is. Great, because I don't want any funny business around. And now, just defuse the bomb! Explode the whole building! I am standing, waiting for explosion! Alright, you don't have to shout at me. Boop! What? It didn't even blow up anything. Great, got tricked by the bats again, did we? That's it. I'm going out so I can just go away and watch the whole thing. Now let's just stick to the plan, okay? Blow up the whole city. I'll tag Mr. Freeze on everything. It's really tall, big, extremely expensive. That's the one here going to explode first. Now you got it? Haha, this disguise will make me invincible. Then I'm going to... Now click it, Penguin. Where do you think? Not this time, Mr. Freeze. I know what you were doing the whole time. Correct.